might you be?
My name's Creeper Johnny.
Creeper Johnny. Well, no offense, but why are you in my house?
I'm Creeper Johnny. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you as well. Why are you in my house?
I'm Creeper Johnny. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you. What are you doing in my house?
What'd you say?
What you doing in my house?
Oh, I'm Creeper Johnny. Pleased to meet you.
What's your name?
Creeper Johnny. I'm pleased to meet you.
Well, why don't you sit down? Have a sit down.
I will do that now. Right now, I'm doing that. I'm sitting. This is Creeper Johnny. Oh, he sat.
How'd you get in my house, Creeper?
I walked with these things. What are they called?
Feet.
Yeah, my feet.
Well, how'd you get in my house?
I walked with my feet.
But my doors are locked.
No, they're not.
They were.
I have a key.
You have a key to my house.
I have a key.
Who gave it?
I have a
to
key.
you? My ex.
I have a key.
Okay.
I have a key. I have a key.
What do you need?
I have a key.
What do you need?
I have a key.
You already have a key.
Can I have some fruit juice?
Fruit juice?
I would like some fruit juice.
Well, it's downstairs.
Well, but I don't like the dark times in the houses.
We can turn the lights on.
I don't know where the switches are.
I can help you find
I'm a
it.
lost little boy.
You're a little boy.
I'm a lost little Creeper Johnny.
Lost little Creeper Johnny.
There ain't no saving me.
Ain't no saving.
I'm gone.
You got
I'm in the black abyss,
No.
in the depths of the world where you can't see nothing.
Gotcha.
I'm gone.
Gotcha. So,
I'm Creeper Johnny. Pleased to meet you.
very nice to meet you. My name's Johnny as well.
No, it's not. You're lying to me, boy.
You know my name, don't you? You're a creeper.
Your name is Felix.
Exactly.
I'm Creeper Johnny.
Nice to meet you, Creeper.
Thank you.
You welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Is it?